The City of Birmingham is committed to keeping our residents informed with updates about the coronavirus. This matter we take very seriously and are committed to keeping you informed of our actions and support for the health organizations that are at the forefront of the response. The Alabama Department of Public Health labs began conducting tests in recent days. As of right now, there have been no cases of coronavirus confirmed in Alabama. Again, as of right now, there have been no cases of coronavirus confirmed in Alabama. We've stayed in constant contact with health officials and continue to monitor updates from the Center of Disease Control, Alabama Department of Public Health, and Jefferson County Department of Health. In addition, we intend to move closely with the medical facilities as we deal with the health situation that has raised questions and concerns throughout our community. Please be assured the trained health professionals at the medical facilities in Birmingham and the metro area are prepared to contain and care for any individual if a case were to be identified in our city. As a city, we are moving intentionally to address prevention measures. The city has communicated with employees to put in place protocols to encourage preventive actions by each employee, maintain clean and sanitized facilities, and identify next steps for any employee who may have recently traveled to a high-risk location. In addition, as of today, we are suspending all non-essential travel for city business by city employees. Remember, you all, as a community, we must move on with day-to-day life. We have city functions to perform. We all have jobs, businesses, schools, and families to take care of. But we all must work together as a community through prevention measures shared by the CDC. The prevention measures we have discussed with employees are the same that every individual in our city can perform. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating, and after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol if soap is not available. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces using regular household cleaning sprays or wipes, and stay home if you feel sick. Also, please remember that the CDC does not recommend that people wear a face mask to protect themselves from respiratory illnesses. Only wear a face mask if you already have symptoms so you can prevent the spreading of germs. But my favorite is simple. Be a good neighbor. Please check on those who are vulnerable to coronavirus, especially seniors, young children, and people with ongoing medical problems. I want to remind you the city has established a webpage with updates and important health links at birminghamal.gov/coronavirus. Again, that is birminghamal.gov/coronavirus. At this time, I would like to welcome Dr. Willeford from the Jefferson County Health Department to make some comments.
Sure. Thank you. Appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
We'll do that. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah.
Good morning. So again, thank you for giving me a opportunity to speak. The most important thing right now, I think, is that we make preparations in the event that something were to happen. Things like Mayor Woodfin had said, as far as checking on your neighbor, washing your hands, getting the flu shot for those people who are able to get a flu shot. The reason we say that, again, is not because it's going to protect against COVID-19, but that it can provide protection against the flu, which still remains at high level activity in our community. So anyone who can take that, please do so, because it doesn't only protect yourself, it protects the loved ones close to you. As Mayor Woodfin said, there are no confirmed cases in Alabama. That's something that we're monitoring closely with the Alabama Department of Public Health, and we're staying tuned to all of this.